Hello, children. Today's chapter is chapter 11, Evolution of Mankind. Test skills are Story of Early Men, Farmers and Herders, the Iron Age. And the first question is, the early humans learned to make clay potteries as they needed vessels to store A. Food, B. Liquids, C. Grains, D. All of these. And the correct option is D. All of these. Number B. Study the given relationship and select the correct option and fill in the blank. Homo sapiens, wise men. Homo habilis, man with spine, handyman, man of village, stone man. And the correct option is B, handyman. The third question is, people who study human history by digging up human remains and artifacts are called geologists, explorers, archaeologists, none of these. And it is number C, archaeologists. Are people who study human history by digging up human remains and artifacts. Number 4. The early man used pieces of flint for lighting up fire, stirring food, studying history and communication, and the correct option is A, lighting up fire. Number 5. Bronze Age was followed by dash, Iron Age, Copper Age, Iron Age, Copper Age, Nickel Age and Tin Age. And the correct option is A, Iron Age. Bronze was when tin was discovered and copper and tin were mixed to make bronze. This was followed by the discovery of iron, which marked the beginning of the Iron Age. Number 6. The first animal to be tamed was the wild ancestor of the A. Elephant, B. Myna, C. Parrot, D. Dog. And the correct option is D. Dog. The wild ancestor of dog was most probably the first animal to be tamed. Number 7. We get to know more about the early humans through fossils. Fossils contain traces of dash in the rocks, skeletons, animals, plant remains, all of these. It is D. All of these. Number 8. Dash is an alloy of tin and copper. A. Iron, B. Aluminium, C. Cobalt, and D. Bronze. And the correct option is D. Bronze. Number 9. Select the correct statement regarding Iron Age. A. Use of coin was seen in this age. B. Tools like sickle and axes were developed, which made farming easier. C. Houses were constructed for living. D. Men of this era were called hunter-gatherers. And the correct option is D. Number 10. The Greek and the Roman civilization developed in the dash. Iron Age, Copper Age, Bronze Age, Cobalt Age. And the option is A. Iron Age. Number 11. The early man moved from one place to another in search of job, food, pets and money, and the answer is B. Food. They moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Number 12. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the usage of fire in Paleolithic age? A. It was used to get protection from wild animals. It was used by people to keep themselves warm. C. It was used to cook food. D. None of these. And the correct option is none of these. Number 13. Which of the following farming tools were developed in the Iron Age? Clay pots, sickle, bows and flint. And the correct option is B. Sickle. Sickle is a tool used for harvesting of crops. It was developed in the Iron Age. Clay pots are also used in agriculture for storing grains, but they were developed in Neolithic period. Number 14. Which of the following does not help the archaeologists to know about the life of the early men? A. Cave painting. B. Fossils. C. Mobile phones. D. Artifacts. And the correct option is C. Mobile phones. Cave painting, fossil fuel and artifacts are sources which help the archaeologists to study the early man's life and know about the history. Mobile phones are a much recent development. They were not present in the olden days. Number 15. Paleolithic period is known as dash. Stone Age, New Stone Age, B. Old Stone Age, C. Middle Stone Age, D. Iron Age. And the correct option is Old Stone Age, that is B. Number 16. Which of the following was not used for making tools by the early men? A. Bone. B. Antlers. C. Flints. D. Plastics. And the correct option is D. Plastics. Bone, antlers of animal and flints were used for making different tools by the early men. Plastic is much recent development. Number 17. Which of the following statement is correct? In the Paleolithic period, the man had already started growing his food. Number B. In the Neolithic period, man settled near the banks or rivers to do farming. In the Mesolithic period, man used mud bricks to construct houses. All of these. And the correct option is B. Man started growing his food in the Neolithic period. Man used mud bricks to construct houses in the Neolithic period. Number 18. Refer to the given flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies X. And the flowchart says use of wheel in Neolithic period. It has two parts: transportation, spinning, and that has one part, that is X. A, hunting, B, cooking, C, pottery, D, none of these, and the correct option is C. The wheels was one of the greatest invention of the Neolithic period. It was used in pottery, spinning, and transportation. Number 19. Catholic age is also known as dash age. Iron, copper, ice, plastic, and it is known as Copper Age. The word Catholic is derived from the Greek word kalkos, meaning copper. Hence, Catholic Age is also known as Copper Age. Number 20. In the Neolithic period, man used mud, bricks, and to construct houses. Meghar is one of the best example of it. It is found in dash Korea, Pakistan, East Asia, and India. It is B, Pakistan. Number 21. Select the option that arranges the following in the correct chronological order: Bronze Age, Iron Age, Copper Age. A 1, 2, 3, B 2, 1, 2, B 3, 1, 2, C 1, 3, 2, D 2, 1, 3, and the correct option is B. It is 3, that is Copper Age, then is the Bronze Age, and then is the Iron Age. Number 22. Refer to the given conversation between two friends. The first one is: the early man in the Paleolithic period ate fruits, nuts, roots, honey, vegetables that they found grown in the wild. They also hunted animals like deer, elephant, giraffe, and buffalo for food and clothing. The second friend says, yes, they always hunted in groups to save themselves from animals' attack and used stone weapons for this purpose. Now select the correct option regarding it. A. Both Rhythm and Myra are correct. Both Rhythm and Myra are incorrect. Rhythm is correct while Myra is incorrect. D. Rhythm is incorrect and while Myra is correct, and the correct option is A. Both are correct. Question number 23. Which of the following were practiced in the Neolithic period? Creating new buildings and dwelling areas, invention of wheels, living on the banks of the water bodies, domestication of animals. And the correct option is D. That is, one is creating new buildings and dwelling areas, then is two, invention of wheels, then is living on the banks of the water bodies, and D, the fourth one is domestication of animals. That is number D. And the correct option is number D. Match the columns and select the correct option, column 1 and column 2. Homo habilis, buried their dead. Homo erectus, first used stone tools. Homo sapiens, first to use fire. There are 4 given options, and the correct option is B. A 2, B 3, C 1. And the last question of this chapter is number 25. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies them as true and false. The early humans painted and drew on the walls of the caves in which they lived. Fossil fuels and cave paintings of an era act as source of gain information about it. Pottery was invented in the Neolithic period. And the fourth one is the hunter-gatherers grew their own crops and stored them in clay pots. And the correct option is D. Number 1 is true, number 2 is true, number 3 is true, number 4 is false. And the correct option is number D. So children, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe and bye.